Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the loose button problem which is going on in the Poco F3 GT device, which is related to this gaming triggers, as you can see. So there are two buttons which are available on this gaming triggers near this section, and for some users they are experiencing some kind of loose and some tickling sound on this one button as well, on this top button, and some users even the bottom one as well. Let me show you a couple of comments who did written. As you can see, their triggers are a little bit kind of loose, not too loose but little bit loose. As you can see, that is what they did mention in the problems. Not only one user, there are plenty of other users who did comment the same problem regarding the Poco F3 GT. That is the reason I did mention in the what are the few issues you can actually face in this Poco F3 GT. That is, first is this kind of problem. First, try to check this button, is it kind of loose or not. I'll try to explain in this video. I'll try to make you hear the sound as well, what sound you can actually hear when I try to press this button. Right now you will be able to hear some sound when I try to tap on this button. As you can see, just little bit kind of sound you will be getting whenever you touch. Just touch, not even, I'm not pressing it, just touching. So in my unit I do have the problem on the top side, and the bottom one little bit but not much. Bottom one just not much, but the top one I do have the problem. This is a problem which I am facing from the day one itself, not after intense kind of gaming. and not that gamer, friends, you know me. So this problem I did see on the day one itself, and I did address in the video as well to check in all the people whenever they receive this kind of Poco F3 GT, whether their button is kind of loose or not. And few of the users they did ask me as well, so will it affect long time durability or not? That is kind of big question, friends, because right now, because just this is my first time using this phone, so it's my just 1 week, not even 1 week, just 3 days of using this device. So just 3 to 4 days. I'm not sure exactly how durable they are until let's see whether this is gonna survive in our extreme testings or not. So after a couple of weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, then we'll be able to decide by looking at the comments and by looking at the feedback we are getting regarding these buttons. But till now there's no issues with the triggers. Triggers are completely fine. Triggers are completely fine. Yes, no issues. I think same sound I'm trying to get, but left side I'm not getting that kind of big sound. I'm not sure. The top one. And there's some sound difference as well in terms of the triggers. When you press the top one, you get one type of sound, and when you press the bottom one, you get one type of sound. I'm not sure they did wantedly, or there's a problem with my unit or not, but still these are the few issues which few of the users they didn't mention. That is the reason I'm trying to check in front of the camera and show you what is happening with the proof. That's why. So I'll try to do in-depth testing on these triggers, friends, for the next few weeks, and I'll try to be back letting you know what is happening with this one. So until we use, only then we'll be able to see what is happening, the problems with this device. Only then we can actually decide is there something wrong or not. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. In case if you buy the Poco F3 GT and try to check, please try to check this button, is it kind of loose or not. Just try to tap it just once, just a little bit. You will be able to see some kind of sound. If you're able to hear some kind of sound, then try to check the bottom one. Bottom one will be good, but not the top one. Just try to check it and let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video, friends. This is the video which I thought of just addressing the problems. And in case if you have the problem, let me know in the comment section. I just want to see how many users are actually facing this kind of issues. That is the why. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, bye.